Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some dip powder foil nails. My special guest is my grandma. She absolutely loved having her nails done. Here I'm just taking some Makartt coffin shaped nail tips and applying them to her nails. I'm doing a Gel X type method for applying the tips. So I'm just applying some gel to the nail tip and then placing it on her nail and then putting it into the lamp to cure while I hold it down. This is going to bond the tip to her natural nail. I had already prepped her natural nails before doing this step. If you're curious how I did that, click this link right here. Once the nails are on, then I'm going to take some clippers and clip down the length. Then I'm going to start shaping the nail with a hand file. I had already done her right hand, so I'm now doing her left. So you may see me comparing the length and the shape to her other hand. Once I shape the free edge of the nail, then I'm going to go in and buff over the surface of the tip. This is going to make sure that the dip powder sticks to the tip of the nail. After the nail tips are prepped and shaped, I'm going to take some alcohol on a cotton pad and remove the dust. Then I'm going to be using Kira's Sky dip powder in the color Why Not. She's seen my sweater nails video and she absolutely loved the color, so I'm going to be using the same one. I'm just going to be adding some dip base to the nail and then dip into the powder. Once I dip, tap away any excess and then wait for it to dry. During this step, you want to make sure to get a very smooth, even coat of base. This will ensure that you have a very smooth layer of dip powder. As you can see, I didn't buff the tip of the nail quite enough, so there is some spots where the dip powder did not stick to the nail. This is okay because I am going to do a second layer of dip powder. This will fix any mistakes and make sure that I get an even coat. Because this dip powder is so pigmented, you can't really notice this at the end of the manicure. Once all of the dip base is dry, then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and dust away any of the excess dip powder. Then I'm going to take some gold leaf foil and I'm going to be applying it to her ring and her middle finger. I'm just applying a layer of base coat, and then while it's still wet, I'm sporadically placing little pieces of the gold foil. I haven't quite figured out how to pick up this stuff yet, so I'm using a combination of my finger and the cuticle cutters. Then I'm going to be applying a layer of clear dip powder. This will make sure that I do not file off the red color when I go to file over the nail. Once the dip powder is dry, I'm going to brush off any of the excess dip powder and then apply some activator. Activator ensures that all the layers of dip powder are dry and ready for filing. Then I'm going to take a hand file and reshape the nail and buff over the surface to make sure there's no lumps or bumps. The smoother you can get the nail, the more professional it's going to look. So one thing I would recommend doing is filing with a hand file and then going over with a buffing block. After you buff the nails, you want to apply another layer of activator to make sure that the nails are fully dry. Then I'm going in with some white gel polish and a fine nail art brush. I'm going to be doing 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines at the bottom of the nail. This is supposed to be like a wrapped present. I'm doing the same design on the index finger, but I'm going to flip the design. Then I'm going to apply a no wipe top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And the last step is to apply some cuticle oil. I'm going to massage this into her nails and we're all finished. I hope you guys like this design. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you think, or if you have suggestions for future nail art. See you guys in the next video. Bye!